Evaluate 5 divided by parentheses 4 plus 1 close parentheses. Whenever you're asked to evaluate a numerical expression with symbols and parentheses and everything's all over the place, you need to follow the order of operations. Now, the way I remember the order of operations is the word PEMDAS. What does PEMDAS mean? Well, the P in PEMDAS means you do everything inside the parentheses first. Then you do any exponents, and then the M and the D means you multiply and divide from left to right. Doesn't mean you always multiply first, it just means you go left to right and see if you multiply or divide. Once you're done all of that, you add or subtract left to right. Doesn't mean you always add first, you just go left to right and see if you have to add or subtract. Now let's take a look at what we have. I have parentheses, so the first thing I'm going to do is do everything inside the parentheses. 4 plus 1 is 5, so bring down the parentheses with a 5 in it. Now, anything that we didn't do yet, you just drop it down. 5 divided by. Now I'm done my parentheses. I see no exponents, and now I only have one thing to do, and that's divide. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. And I'm done because I only have one number left over. I didn't have to worry about adding or subtracting. I didn't have to worry about multiplying. This whittles down to 1, and that's how you use PEMDAS.